What's up, guys? Welcome back. This video is towards the end of the season. It's this last couple of weeks of the season. This time of the year, the birds are real stale, especially the ducks. So, this weekend we actually really didn't even try to hunt the ducks because number one, they weren't in the area. And number two, even if they were in the area, they were heaven high and wouldn't want to work. So we decided to hunt dry fields this weekend, and man, there were so many specks and so many snows at this time. There was groups of like 10 to 20,000 geese and feeds. And we wanted to strictly hunt the geese, and it was a smart idea. We freaking whammed them. First day was all right. I think we killed around 20, somewhere in there. And then the second day we killed like 55 or something like that. So, we killed a lot of geese this weekend. It was super cold with a bunch of wind, so it was perfect condition for geese. And, the first morning we hunted 7 clients, had to wake up early and go set out a bunch of full bodies and some silhouettes. And, it wasn't bad. We had a bunch of singles and doubles come in, occasional groups of 3 and 4. So that afternoon, actually, me and Bryce decided to go and scout, and we found a huge feed of a bunch of snows, and we mixed in with some specks. And, we went around knocking on people's doors, trying to find out who owned the land. And, when we eventually found out who did, Bryce went up there and Actually, the guy gave us permission for the whole year, which was great. So we planned on hunting that feed tomorrow morning. You know, we knew that next morning was going to be really good, so we hunted 13 clients that morning, and we knew it was going to be a banger, man. As soon as shooting light rolled around, we had a group of so many geese laying about 300 yards in front of us, literally right as shooting light, like right on the dot. As soon as shooting light hit, they landed right in front of our spread. You know, not shootable, but you know, they hung out around there for about 5 minutes, and then out of nowhere, they just all got up at the same time. And when they saw our decoys, I'm telling you, every single goose in the sky went and lighted in our decoys. It was the best group of specs I think that I've ever been a part of.
Good grief.
even though I was filming, I mean, it was still amazing to be there, you know, just watching those birds work like that. You know, they just, as soon as they saw the decoys, they just dumped right on in there. You know, we ended up with 55 birds. It was a great hunt, best spec hunt that I've ever been a part of. And, you know, I actually had to leave that day. I couldn't film the next couple days, but the next 2 and 3 days, man, they're still consistently winning on them. It's 4 days after the hunt, and, you know, Bryce is still posting on their Facebook of the pile picks, man. They're killing specks and snows consistently every day in that same field. So y'all make sure to go book a hunt with Bryce Cobb. If y'all want to go get on a good spec hunt, y'all make sure to go book one. It's really fun. It won't be a bad experience hunting with Bryce, so y'all make sure to go book it. Hope I can squeeze out maybe 1 or 2 more videos before this season's over, but make sure to stay tuned. Go and make sure to buy some merch too, link in the description. Anyways, I'll catch y'all next time.